Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're taking a look at EURAUD. We haven't looked at this one for a while. I think the last time we actually looked at this market, the price had just broken out of this area. Let me just grab an arrow tool. Had just broken out of this zone, and we were saying we could look for long positions in and around these types of areas to see if the trend will continue. And price has moved quite significantly since then, and it looks to me like we could still see this trend continue. Recently, what we've had, if I go back up to this weekly time frame, is an actual weekly trend appear. We've had the market making higher highs and higher lows ever since breaking out of this weekly resistance area or this weekly range. Prices then just pull back into previous structure areas and rally to the upside. So I think we could possibly see some further upside to this market potentially this week or going into next week. Just because we've had such a strong move last week, I expect a bit of a pullback first. But if the trend is going to continue, if this weekly impulse phase is going to continue, we should see higher highs and higher lows form on a daily time frame. So going into that daily time frame, we haven't really had a pullback in the market yet. So what I'm looking for is that retracement phase to start coming in. And at the moment, we are forming a bearish candlestick. Obviously, we have a lot of time left to go on this daily candlestick. But if it was to finish like that, it could suggest that a phase 2 retracement phase is coming in the market. And if price was to pull back into this previous structure area, we could look for bullish price action to then go long in the market. Alternatively, we could potentially trade back to this point and then trade from it. So what that would look like is if we go to the 4-hour time frame and we analyze the trend here, because what we should really see is if the daily moves into the retracement phase, we should see lower lows and lower highs out of the 4-hour trend until we hit support, and then we look for our reversal patterns to the upside in line with the overall trend. And we can see here at the moment the price is in an uptrend. We're having higher highs and higher lows. Now what we would need to see is potentially another lower high or a break below these lows to then look for that potential counter trend trading opportunity back down to this area. Now I say potential because this market is currently in an uptrend, so we need to be very careful if we are going to trade this retracement phase. I would prefer to wait for price to come back down into this area of interest for us, making those lower lows and lower highs. Then I'd wait for a reversal setup. Then I'd look to be a buyer of the overall higher time frame trend. So a couple of different options for you there to work with on EURAUD. If you like the video, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel for some more forex content, hit that notification bell to be alerted when we post a new update. Thanks for watching, speak to you in the next one.